Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the important handy extension in the Excel file. Okay, so which is nothing but our OLAP Pivot Table Extension. That is the one we are going to talk about it. So basically, this Pivot Table Extension help you to see the MDX query, what it's been built from the Excel. So usually this is how here this is my Excel file and I connect it to the OLAP cube, and then here we simply drag and drop, right? So which we don't require any coding, MDX coding knowledge and all. We just drag and drop and it will work like charm. So in such scenarios, actually we don't know what is that in the background. What is the Excel engine is preparing the MDX query and sending the request to the OLAP queue, right? So if you like to see that what is that MDX query that is building, so you can use this extension. All you need to do just download this extension, and then once it's downloaded, just install this extension in your system, and then post installation just close this Excel file and reopen it. In my scenario, since I already installed in my local, so I can see when I right click on the this pivot layout, so then you can see in the last OLAP pivot table extensions. Okay, so this is how it will appear. In case if you don't see this, what you need to do, so you need to go to the options, Excel options. Under the Excel options, you can go to the add-ins. Usually you can see active application add-ins here. Under that you can see here, but in case if you don't see here, then you can go here and click on com add-ins and then go. Then you can make sure that this is enabled, OLAP pivot table extension. Once you click OK, then that's all. So in case if you don't see that after adding the extension in your Excel file, just restart the Excel again and it should be fine. So once you see this option, how does it help? In my current scenario, on day-to-day basis, I'm using to build calculations, the customized calculation, and to see what is the MDX query that is built in the Excel to cube. Okay, so for these scenarios I use, but there are some additional functionality also available, but I never explored it. But yeah, in future if I explore it, definitely I'll share it. There is one more option you can do. You can search in case if you want, if you are looking for some attribute which you don't know full name, you can search like whether it exists or not. And in my scenario, I try to check the sales related attributes and search it. So for that, it fetched whatever the information related to that sales. It's already fetched it. Okay, so that is the one thing. And here you can see calculation library maintenance. I don't know these options. Okay, export to and delete calculations. So this option I know, so because I created one of the calculation in here for testing purpose, and if you want to delete that, you can select and delete, or if you want to execute, I mean just execute, it will delete it. But in case if you want to create additional calculated measures, you can do that. So test2, this time I'll give some number, then add to the pivot table. That's it. So you got your calculated measure available in Excel file. So this is how it will help. So the mainly I used in my day-to-day basis, as I mentioned. So I used build a calculation and use this MDX query as a reference to tune my OLAP cube formulas. So that's how I used it. Okay. So this is all about OLAP pivot table extension. Um, I'll see you around in the next video. Until that, bye for now. Thank you.